So we're in the mechanic workshop, we're working on the Blitz. Now everybody's getting in and giving us a hand. It was awesome to see people like Mike get in there and start really thinking and kind of, I guess, drawing on some of his experiences in the past to be able to work with Matt and just really find the problem.
You should see me in a nurse's outfit.
Oh. Mike and I are starting to put the motor back together. We tune it, we start it, and it's just running beautifully, you know. And we start to think, we could very well make it across the desert. We've got hope. It's so exciting until it wasn't. And then it all started to come crashing down. It just went bad. Don't know what's gone wrong. We've got water coming out of a place where oil should be. So we're going to pull the side cover back off the motor and see if we can find out what's going on. Cal, can I give you that?
You see there? Yeah, yeah. Is that water? I think it might be. Actually, below, where your finger's touching there, what's that there?
Is that a crack? There it is there, see?
Oh, look. That block's cracked.
Right across there.
Right through there.
When I got told about the crack, I almost didn't want to see it. I was deflated. I felt that that was it, we were done. A cracked block is not something that anybody wants to hear.
You know what's happened? She's corroded through the block. Look at that.
I think we've actually found the problem. The reason we're getting water into the oil system. I've never seen anything like this before. What I'm going to try and do is clean this up and open it up a little bit so that I can get some quick metal or a product in there to seal it up. As long as it's cracked because of corrosion, it's basically rusted through from the inside, as long as that's what's happened, we'll be right. If it's cracked because the liners are basically lifting the top of the block away, well, we're screwed.
If you let it to feature now, then it's all over.
Yeah, that's it.
If you have a go and it works,
You're a winner. Well, now that the job's gone all pear-shaped and I'm looking for like an all-nighter, all my friends have left me.